All right, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and today I'm going to show you how I made these Mulitas. This was going to be my Monday's upload, but hey, today is Sunday, May 5th, Cinco de Mayo, so hey, you get to learn how to make Mulitas on Cinco de Mayo. They're super easy. Basically, it's a Mexican street food tortilla sandwich, so to speak. They've got, I've got leftover pulled pork and cheese and green chilies, and they're just going to be delicious. They're super easy. So if you don't know what to make for Cinco de Mayo, throw these together. They're super easy. The Mulitas are different from a quesadilla because quesadillas usually only have cheese in them. So I also made a quesadilla to show you the difference. Now you got to add some olive oil first, right? Some of that down. All right, so for these Mulitas, I'm gonna make 3 up right here. Just get your corn tortillas down. Yes, you gotta be corn. You're making Mulitas, not quesadillas. I'm using some, you can put whatever you want inside of these. I'm using some leftover pulled pork. Yes, leftover pulled pork. It took several therapy sessions to be able to say I actually have leftover pulled pork. It took a few more to admit the leftover brisket, but so that's what I'm doing with these Mulitas, which, you know, it's a Mexican street food, basically a tortilla sandwich, right? And since it's Mexican, I'm gonna New Mexicanize mine, of course. I'm going to throw some green chili in it. I actually have some quesadilla Mexican cheese to put in these. Just pile it on. Could add oil, I guess. There we go. I think these are probably ready to flip. You just got to be fast. All right, there we go. All right, so these are a quick and easy thing to make. You're wondering what to make for Cinco de Mayo, and you know, you don't want to bother with the tacos. You want, you know, quick, easy. As long as you got some leftover, you can use chicken, you can use any kind of beef. Yes, leftover brisket if you have it. And just like that, within just a few minutes, these will be done. Mulitas. And, you know, I gotta make one of these. Flour. So what's the difference? Yeah, flour or corn. Lots of cheese for the corn, for the flour. Alright, and let that cheese melt, and just like that we'll have a cheese quesadilla. Right here is my quesadilla. Let's see if I can tear it in half and see if we get any nice ooey gooey cheese. Okay, quesadillas stuffed with cheese. Okay, and now these Mulitas, like I said, it's just like a tortilla. You use corn tortillas. You can put any meat you want in there. Cheese. I threw some green chili. Add some new to the Mexican. So anyway, that's a tortilla sandwich, a Mulita. Happy Cinco de Mayo. You got to try these. So good. If you're not good at folding tacos and you want fried tacos, this is an excellent way to do it. All right, just make a Mulita. You're good to go. Again, thanks for watching, and happy Cinco de Mayo. I hope you have a great day.